Hello, I'm Dennis Howard, the host of The Track. Today we have Doug Hunt, president of Vermeer Industrial, here to talk about renewable energy. Tell us a little bit about renewable energy and what the customers are seeing in the market.
Dennis, we've seen just incredible growth the last 5 years in particular in renewable energy. What a lot of people don't know is Vermeer equipment is right at the center of the infrastructure build out for renewable energy. Our pile drivers are putting in utility grade solar. Our drills and our trenchers are putting in the transmission lines, and of course our wonderful Vermeer dealer network is doing a great job supporting all that build out.
The pile drivers are interesting because what they do seems simple, but it's got to be precise, and they do a great job of that.
It's a major production because if you've ever seen a utility scale solar project, sometimes these are 1 million posts that go in the ground, and our equipment does that. It's been a big honor for us to be a part of that. Our Vermeer dealers are just doing a phenomenal job supporting it because productivity and uptime are the key to the contractor's success.
So what part of the renewable energy market is growing the most right now?
5 years ago it was wind, but now we're seeing a shift to more solar. Predictions are in the next 10 to 15 years, that market will double and double again. Just incredible growth out there, but we're also seeing wind continue to grow, in particular offshore wind. So you think about wind towers out in the ocean and then infrastructure coming onshore to go into our distribution network and transmission network. All of that connectivity has to happen. A lot of that is being done with yellow Vermeer equipment.
That is very, very cool. Yeah, you don't think about that. Offshore wind is you gotta get that power to the shore, then you gotta get it to where it needs to go.
Exactly.
Yeah. What should contractors be thinking about in renewable? If you were saying this is a place to focus on, what would it be?
I think our suggestion would be, educate yourself first. Really know what you're getting into, because a lot of times it is a different expectation in terms of timeframes, deliverables, and it takes just a lot of experience to build that up. What we often see is customers starting small and then just building it out a step at a time. It's a long game. I think renewables are going to be here for the rest of our careers. By 2035 in the United States, they're predicting that 1/3 of all electric generation will be from renewables. So today we're around 5%. So really a long ways to go and great opportunities for a lot of contractors out there. A privilege for us to be part of that.
Yeah, we really enjoy being a Vermeer dealer. We enjoy the partnership, the relationship, and the customers. And I think it's a really great relationship. And you do have a very good dealer network. You do really done a really good with that, and great products.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it takes a great product, but frankly, our dealers are second to none. We're really proud of the RDO partnership as well.
Thank you very much, Doug.
And it's great to talk with you today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm Dennis Howard. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you soon.
And then I never go by the script either.
That's all right.
Yeah. Today we have Doug Hunt, president of Vermeer Industrial, to talk about renewable.